Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can place limit order on Binance app. If you want to buy some coin just below its current price, or if you want to sell above its current price, then you will have to place limit order on Binance. So in order to place limit order, just go to your Binance mobile app, and here at the below you can see there are many options. Just go to your trade option. Now in trade option, you can see at the top, I have selected spot this time. So you have to select the spot option. Now under spot, you can see I have selected POL/USDT pair. If you want to buy or sell some other coin, click on this POL/USDT. And now in search, just select any product that you want. Let's suppose I want to select ADA/USDT. So when I select this, now you can see just below the buy section there is option called market. Click on this market option. Now from here just click on limit option. When you click on limit option, now here you can see the price is now 0.9727, but I will write 0.8 and just write my amount. Now simply click on buy ADA. Now I have placed limit order of 0.8. So whenever this coin reach to 0.8, my 20 ADA will be purchased. So this is the way how you can buy coin by limit. Similarly, if you want to sell some coin, go to sell option. Now the current price is 0.97, but you want that when it's reach $1, 20 ADA will be sold. So you will click price 1 USDT and write your amount and just click on sell ADA. So when its price will reach $1, your 20 ADA will be sold. So this is the way how you can place limit order on Binance app.